This is a LaGuard 3600 keypad, and there are two 9-volt batteries beneath these buttons. To access those batteries, you need to slide the keypad directly up the face of the door. It's hanging on 2 screws in these openings. That can be a snug fit, so you may have to be firm with it, but that's what's needed. What you're going to do now is you're going to grasp the battery at either end with your fingers. Just get it come loose from these 2 rubber ears that are holding it in place. You want to be sure that you're releasing the battery connector by working with the connector itself and not the wires. These wires are somewhat delicate, so just be careful to work with the plastic connector, not the wires. Comes loose relatively easily. Put the suitable new battery in place and snap the connector to the battery. Get it positioned in its housing and then just press it into place. Do that for both of the batteries. And then you are going to reorient the keypad so that the openings fit over the screws. Press down. You're going to feel it slide down about 1/4 of an inch, lock in place, and you're done. It's as easy as that.